What's up, guys? Today we're making exploding water. Let's go. Okay, so you have your water in a glass cup and you're gonna microwave it for 4 minutes. This is exactly what we're looking for. Okay guys, so we have a coin. Right when we take it out, we're gonna drop it in and it should explode. What an explosion! Wow. That's how you make exploding water. Let's try it again. Guys, I didn't catch it on camera, but it blew up in the microwave. So we have water there. There's a bunch of water up there. Looks like I'm gonna have to clean up. Okay guys, so there's this other trick where if you fill up a water bottle about that much, and then you lay it in the microwave on the side, it should produce steam and like put it up there, and then I'll show you from there. Okay guys, so you just wanna like fill up a Tupperware thing or like a bowl with room temperature water, and then guys, it just exploded in the microwave. Again, this time I actually caught it on camera. Oh my gosh. Well, more cleanup. Hey guys, so it looks like this is another clickbait video because the first one didn't really explode. I mean, I guess you could call it an explosion, but it just fizzed up. We are the Cuban Brothers, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.